Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M3, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and look for the toggle somewhere. And here, there it is, so DND with a moon icon. Once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize it once we actually enable it. So, as you can see, allow incoming calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Then we have notify about repeated callers option, which will allow you to basically get notifications when someone is trying to reach you. So right now, as you can see, we have set to none, so technically no one should be able to call us, but with this option, if we enable it and someone tries to call us twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually, or we will actually be notified about it, and we can be aware that someone is trying to get our attention. Maybe there's some kind of emergency, so we can respond to it. Then we also have options for restrict floating notifications. Now this is option completely for you if you want to have pop-ups or not. Schedule turn on time. So in here we'll have the option to set a schedule for it so it turns on automatically at a given day of the week, and basically has a given time period in which it will work. You could tap on add right here, and as you can see, days of the week. You can go to custom and select whichever ones you want, and start, end time, and silent, or the mode. So DND is the one that we customize. That's what to go for. Check it on, and there we go. It automatically becomes enabled right here. And if the time is correct for it, which I believe it shouldn't, yeah, it starts at 11 p.m. Then it will turn on automatically. Now, right now DND is enabled, but that's because we did have to turn it on to actually customize it. And from there, once you have set that up, you can now toggle it on and off manually whenever you want by simply tapping on a toggle, like so, and turning on whenever you're done, assuming you don't rely on the schedule. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.